In this video, I will show you how to quickly sign up for and navigate the initial setup of NotebookLM. I begin by searching for NotebookLM in Google and clicking on the official link to be taken directly to the main landing page. Once there, I click the Try NotebookLM button to start creating my workspace, which leads me through a quick loading process. A welcome message appears explaining the privacy and data usage policies, and after I click OK, I'm ready to start building my first project. To provide the AI with context, I click on Upload Files and select a PDF document from my local folders to serve as a primary source for my new notebook. As the file uploads, the platform automatically generates a detailed summary titled The Architect of Insight to help me understand the content. This tool serves as a sophisticated AI research assistant that uses your specific documents to ensure accuracy and grounded responses. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.